What's up guys, it's Amy here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to your Groovesell account so that you can collect payments. Let's get started. Alright guys, the first step is you will need a PayPal business account, and if you have a personal PayPal account, you can upgrade from a personal account to a business account by logging in to PayPal. And then once you're in the main menu, click on this cog icon. You will then get to settings and you want to go over to the left hand corner and click convert to a business account. Once you've done so, it will ask you, tell us about your business. You can say I'm a sole trader company and then go through the steps to upgrade your personal account to a business PayPal account. Now, once you have a business PayPal account, log back into your PayPal account and then paste in this link into your browser. So I'll leave a link in the description area below this video so that you can copy and paste this link in. Once you've pasted in that link, you will then arrive to My Apps and Credentials. To connect PayPal to Groovesell, you will need to create an app. And don't worry, it's very simple. The first thing we'll do is switch to live and then we click on create app and give your app a name. I'm just going to call it Amy Vo and then click create app. Alright, so you want to leave this tab open and then log into GrooveFunnels, click on Groovesell. Once you're in Groovesell, you want to click on funnels. Now, I've already created a test funnel for us called Amy Coaching, and don't worry, in the next video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a product funnel step by step. But for now, we just want to set up PayPal so that in the next video, it's a breeze to connect your payment gateways. We want to click on this drop down arrow, click manage products, click on this check icon. And because I've already created this product funnel, I can skip ahead straight to number 3, gateways, and click on that. Then I'm going to click on set up gateways and we want to click on add new payment, PayPal. Now it's going to connect me to PayPal and ask me to log in. So I'm going to log in. I've entered in my PayPal email, click next. Then I'm logging into PayPal with my password, click on agree and connect. Then I can click on go back to Groove Digital. You will get this notice successfully connected to your PayPal account. So we'll close out of that. I'm back into Groovesell. I've clicked on product funnel and now I have to click manage products again. Click on this check icon, go to number 3, payment gateways. Click on set up gateways and you can see here that my PayPal is now connected. Then I'm going to click on payment gateway and then under this tab called PayPal, add PayPal accounts for processing. We want to click on this and then click on the PayPal that I've just created. And right underneath here, you just enter in 100 to have 100% of your sales revenue to go to your PayPal account. Once you're done entering 100, just click on save and then you can click on exit. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a product funnel inside of Groovesell and create a free shopping cart order forms to sell your digital products and services online. So hit that bell notification and until next time, see ya!